Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'll be showing you how I prepare a whole sea bass. Now I'm going to canoe fillet my bass, which means I'll be taking the bones and guts out whilst keeping the fish intact. The end result being the fish looking like a canoe, hence canoe fillet. Now I'm going to start by taking my knife and breaking the skin on one side, making sure it's above the dorsal fin. Sea bass has a pretty tough skin which can be quite hard to break if you don't have a good and sharp knife. Then, just follow the bone structure, making nice long slices with your knife until you've pulled the meat away from the bone without going all the way down and breaking the skin on its belly. Flip the bass over and repeat the process. Break the skin on the dorsal fin, nice long slices until you pulled the meat off the bone. Once you've done that, you can take your scissors and cut the spine out. 2 big snips will do, and then just pull it right off. You don't need any fancy scissors, by the way. I've used regular scissors before, it just takes a bit more pressure. Once the spine is out, you're going to do the nasty business and pull all the guts and organs out that we don't want. So just take your fingers and go up and remove any innards. Also, if you're a moron like me and you forget that you should pull the gills up before you start filleting, then do it after. It's not a big deal. But yeah, ideally do it before. Just give the bass a quick rinse and remove any bones, and there you have it. You've built yourself a canoe. Congratulations. You can skip this step and just ask your fishmonger to do it, but where's the fun in that? Who doesn't like their hands and house smelling of fish? Anyway, the purpose of this is to stuff the fish, so that's exactly what we're going to do. Keeping it simple by seasoning the inside with salt, adding lemons, and then drizzling with olive oil. Wrap it up in some foil and go scrub your hands for 20 minutes to remove the smell of fish from underneath your fingernails. Then it's time to crispen up that skin with some artsy fartsy blowtorching, convincing yourself you're a real chef. If you don't have a blowtorch, go and get one, they're seriously a lot of fun. Or you can cook the fish for around 15 minutes, then switch to the grill setting on your oven, open the foil exposing the sea bass and let that crispen up for around 5 minutes, finishing it with the juices in the foil and some basil oil. And there you have it, a super tricky and annoying to make sea bass, but my super cool edit will now show you why it's worth it. Thanks for watching.